Challenge K-Song Hot Network. This year, the Redmi K90 series is a bit too wild. That's right, this year it collaborated with Sound by Bose for tuning, creating the world's strongest dual 115F ultra-linear dual speakers.
Is it just a gimmick? We'll test it to find out. We recommend wearing headphones to experience it.
In comparison, you can hear that the tuning of the K90's 3 frequencies is very well done. Let's listen to a song by Isan Chan, especially in the bass. It can present that magnetic voice very well. Moreover, it has a 15-level tuning strategy, providing good sound quality for gaming, watching videos, or listening to music in all scenarios. Especially with the Pro Max, an additional speaker next to the deck achieves 2.1 channels on the phone, making the sound more immersive and layered.
The classic standard version is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, and we tested its gaming performance. In Genshin Impact with all high-quality effects, after running around for half an hour, the average frame rate measured was 60.1, with an average power consumption of 5.44 watts, and 56% of frames at 59.2, which is an excellent level. After half an hour, the battery dropped by 7%. Recently, the temperature has started to drop, with the ambient temperature around 22 degrees and the room temperature reaching about 41 degrees. In Peace Elite, it runs smoothly at 120 frames, with 37 jumping in the storage area, nearly 40 more gunfights.
Take the first half of the high-frequency gunfight scene. First show everyone the average rate, 118.5, average power consumption 5.14 watts. Whether it's the 7 series or the K90, this generation of Xiaomi is quite aggressive in tuning. Nearly 40 or so gunfights, with most fluctuations between 115 to 120 frames, only about 5 frames of minor fluctuations, so the classic Redmi K90 can perform at the level expected of the Snapdragon 8. After the last hour of play, the battery dropped by 20%, with room temperature around 40 degrees. The K90's screen, it's quite an upgrade, directly using the same AMOLED luminous material as the Pro Max. This screen's super pixels are truly not just a gimmick, with a full 2GB arrangement. Each pixel can display an independent color if placed.
Zooming in on the text edges, there is clearly no green fringe. It is noticeably sharper, and the colors are more accurate, so this screen can indeed rival the display effect of 2K. At the same time, it has Xiaomi Soft Flash Smart Eye 3.0, which can achieve full brightness DC dimming at 1 meter. Even at ultra-low brightness, the color display remains very uniform, so there's no need to worry about clarity in low-light environments, and it's more eye-friendly when using the phone at night. The standard version is 6.59 inches with a large R-angle design, which I think is well balanced in size and looks more attractive. If you are seeking a better gaming experience, I recommend the Pro Max. After all, the 6.9-inch screen is larger, making it more convenient, especially for games that require multi-finger operations. This year's K-series also equips the standard version with a 2.5x portrait telephoto lens. I took a few random shots, and with the support of the flagship imaging algorithm, the background blur is very natural. In terms of battery life, it features a 7100 mAh large battery, plus 100-watt fast charging, so there won't be any battery anxiety during daily use. Additionally, this year the design surprisingly uses an integrated cold carved glass process, clearly giving this generation's standard version a higher quality feel, a more comfortable grip, and the overall craftsmanship can be considered flagship level. So this year's K-series can be said to cover all aspects of sound quality, performance, battery life, and imaging. In one sentence, to summarize the Redmi K90, full power, K for great sound.